Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm so excited to unbox and review the TYA Makeup Eyeshadow Kit plus 5-piece makeup brush and 2-piece blender puff combo in multicolor. This affordable set caught my eye and I couldn't wait to test it out for you all, so let's dive right in. First up, the eyeshadow palette. It's got 33 vibrant shades, including mattes, shimmers, and even 2 skin tone powders. The colors range from bold pops like electric blue and hot pink to everyday nudes, perfect for any vibe you're feeling. I swatched a few, and while the pigmentation is decent for the price, not super intense but buildable with a little effort. Some shades have a bit of fallout, so I'd recommend tapping off your brush first. Next, the 5-piece brush set. These are multicolor and honestly so cute. You get a fluffy powder brush, an angled blush brush, a flat foundation brush, and 2 smaller ones for eyeshadow. They're soft enough for beginners and the bristles didn't shed when I used them, which is a big plus. Are they pro level? No, but they get the job done and I love how they look on my vanity. Now the 2 blender puffs. These are soft, bouncy, and great for blending out foundation or setting powder. I tried one dry with powder and one damp with BB cream and both worked surprisingly well. No streaking, just a smooth finish. This kit is marketed as a full combo, and I'd say it's awesome for anyone starting out or wanting a budget-friendly option. The eyeshadows are fun to play with, the brushes are practical, and the puffs are a nice touch. It's not luxury quality, the shadows could be more pigmented, and the brushes aren't super precise. But for the price, it's a steal. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full look using this kit. If you're loving this, hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment. Tell me what you think of this TYA combo or what you want to see next. Thanks for watching, beauties. Let's keep glowing together.